Got the fin and rudder installed. Turned out awesome. Everything is nice and square. Kudos to this design. So far everything has been bang on in terms of measurements and squareness, and you know, the stabs being parallel with the wing tubes and all of that. So it's been a bit of a no-brainer build. Probably the only amount of work so far has been tweaking some of the landing gear wires and also the cabane wires, and resoldering those. So, but other than that, been pretty awesome. So here is the rudder. Again, supported on 3 ball bearings to the fin. The fin is glued right down here on this piece of pine, and then it slots in here, and then there's some reinforcements to this former as well. So this whole thing now will come off with stabs and fin, and eventually the wires will be connected to it as well. So it's going to be super easy to take off and then install at the field. The hinges, there's a pin here, a 440, I think it's a 440 or a 3 mil. This will have a connector here for strut wire that will go down to a connector here for the strut wire. And then this one here has a little tiny 256 pin in it. And then this one here has a big 3 mil bolt that goes right through, and there'll be a connector that goes from here up to the underside of this. So that's how the connections will go. There'll be a wire here and a wire here. So it should be super easy to install at the field. Yeah, happy that I'm able to take off the tail of it. Next step, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start fitting all of the fiberglass parts, and I'm also going to go up here and get all the sheeting done on the front half of the airframe. So sheeting, there's about 10 different fiberglass parts that need to get installed here. There's fiberglass parts that need to get installed here. There as well, there's a big long kind of like spine. And then there's also the tail wheel piece as well. So that'll probably take me, this is gonna take a bunch of messing around and fitting. So I'm guessing the next week or so will be just getting this done. And then I would say the hard part will be done, and I can transition into the 4 wings and get those done. So coming along pretty well.